have explained you some of the reasons to join Amazon affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to explain why I personally love Amazon as an affiliate marketer. Reason 1 is that Amazon Associates is easy and straightforward in receiving your earnings. In Amazon, once you are signed up, you need to provide your details of how you would like to get paid with options such as check or direct deposit or as a gift. You will receive your payments once you have crossed or reached the threshold limit of just $100. The payment will reach you in just 60 days, which is a very short time when compared with other affiliate networks. Reason 2 is people trust Amazon. Being such a well-known and popular network, the customers will not think twice about purchasing through Amazon. Many people will have their registered accounts already or even stored their credit card in the site for instant purpose. This also shows that more people would buy instantly in Amazon instead of thinking whether it is safe to use a shopping cart. Reason 3 is Amazon is easily integrated. There are a lot of plugins and tools in Amazon affiliate integration. They have been built so that you can easily place links in your website. Reason 4 is Amazon is a master at converting visitors into customers. As I have mentioned you before, Amazon is trustworthy among people, so it spends millions of dollars for optimizing the sales of both new and existing customers. So if you refer people to view your item in Amazon, the rate of conversion will be higher. Reason 5 is it helps to grow your business easily. The another reason why to choose Amazon as an affiliate network is that you can make good deals in your marketing business and also you can scale it up whenever you want. It also provides the benefit of keep tracking of your loyal customers by using the email marketing strategy. Reason is it provides long-term revenue. With Amazon Affiliate Network, you not only promote your single product but also its related product or to the entire niche. By promoting Amazon affiliate product, you will get traffic to all the products, which means you will have increased chances of making a sale. So no second thought, get started with Amazon affiliate marketing today. I'll be explaining you on how to get started with Amazon affiliate marketing in my next lecture.